My name is Serena Cervantes, and I am here at our tax and asset protection event, and I am so excited. I cannot wait to meet with all of my clients and provide platinum level asset protection services to each and every single one of them. You guys have to come to our next event. Do not miss out. It's the most exciting thing you'll ever do.
The folks here at Anderson have been phenomenal, and I truly mean that. Everyone I've spoken to has been professional. They follow up and they follow through, and they challenge me on my thinking so that they can help me be the best that I can be. So I think I have 9 entities so far, and I think 3 more are coming after this conference. And so the nice thing is that the value is embedded in what this is all about. So yes, I planned it to avail myself of all the resources that are going to support the things my wife and I want to do.
I have been in business for 33 years, and in construction, both commercial and residential, I purchase homes to fix and flip. I never thought I wanted to hang on to them, to be a landlord, to do the rentals. I have employees, why do I need renters? And Anderson really changed my mindset on that it's an asset category that would really benefit myself, and once I established the structure correctly, it really has been a very pleasant experience to add that to my overall, what I do in the world.
Hi, I'm Elliot Thomas, Manager of the Tax Advisors here at Anderson, and I'm live at our TAP event. I'm excited to be here. We're learning a lot about asset protection and tax tactics. Hope to see you at the next event.